Hi children, today we are going to learn first chapter larger numbers. In this larger numbers, before previous classes you learnt up to thousands, lakhs. But here in this chapter we have to learn up to 9 places. What are those? Up to crores and 10 crores. Now this is first in this system, in this how to read the words, how to write in number name and place values, ascending descending order and successor predecessor, everything we have to learn in this chapter. Now first we have to learn how to write and read large numbers without confusion, very easy and fast. For that we need two systems. We need. There are two types of systems. One is Indian place value system, second is international system. Today we are going to learn Indian place value system. For that first we have to see that chart. Indian place value chart. What are the place values in this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores. In this class, 5th class, you have up to crores. Now what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. But you want to write the number very easy and fast. We have to divide the number into as per periods. Here in this system we have 4 periods. What are those? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Means we have to divide the number into as per periods, 4 periods. First, ones period means ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. Then we have to put after 100 comma. Means this 300, suppose here one number given 7890131. How to divide first as per periods? First we have to take the places from right to left, we have to go back. Then what is the first place value? Ones, second tens, third hundreds. These 3 places comes under ones period. Then how to read? 321. Second, 0, 1. These are comes under thousands. Thousands and 10,000s. Then these 2 comes under thousands period. Then here how many thousands? 0, 1 means 1000. Next 8, 9 comes under lakhs period. Then 89 comes under lakhs period. 7 comes under crores period. When you will read the number, you have to read 10,000, 1000 together, 10 lakhs and lakhs together, crores. Then hundreds, tens, ones together. Why? Because you have to read as per period. Now crore period, lakhs period, thousands period, ones period as per. Now how to read? 7 crores, 89 lakhs, 1,321. To write and read the number, first we have to put commas as per periods. Then how many periods are there? 4 periods. What are those? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores period. Then first we have to divide the number as per periods and we have to put the commas. Then we have to read the number together. Then 10 lakhs and lakhs together, 10,000, 1000 together, 100, tens, ones together. Then how to read now this number? 7 crores, 89 lakhs, 1,321. Now in this first exercise, you have only write in words, write in figures, write the place value. Now exercise 1. First bit, write in words. Example, first one. What is the number? 723072213. How to write in words? First we have to write the digits, little gap. You have to give little gap and write each digit place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then this up to hundreds, once period over, then we have to put comma. Then 1000, 10,000. Here 1000, 10,000 comes under thousands period. Again we have to put comma. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs period over, put comma. Now 7 in crores period. Now 7 in crores period, 23 in lakhs period, 07, 7 in thousands period, 213 in ones period. Then we have to write as per period now. 7 crores, 23 lakhs, 7,000, 230. Now second one. One more example I will teach now. Now 89007012. How to write? First we have to write the digits little, we have to give little gap between them and write. Now place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Put comma. Because this is comes under ones period. Ones period over. Next 1000, 10,000. Then we have to put comma. Thousands period over. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs period over. Crores. Now read the number. How many crores are there? 8. 8 crores. How many lakhs are there? 90 lakhs. How many thousands are there? 07 means 7. 7,000. 0, 1, 2, we will call 12 only. Then how to read? 8 crores, 90 lakhs, 7,012. Now, second bit, how to write in figures. Write in figures. Two crore, 2 lakhs, 2,000, 2. 2 crore, 2 lakhs, 2,002. How to write? What is the largest place value here? Crore. Up to crore we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now how many crores? 2 crores. Then you have to write 2 crores. Next, how many lakhs are there? 2 lakhs. Then here lakhs period we have 2 places. But only number digit is only 2. Then how to write? 02. 2 lakhs means 02. If you write 20, it will become 20. Then how to write 2? 02. Then 2 lakhs means how to write? 02 lakhs. Then 2,000 again 02. Because in thousands period 2 places are there. But here only 1 digit. Then how to write? 02. 02 in thousands place. Next 2 is there. But here 3 places are there. Then 2, 0, 0 means hundreds place 0, tens place 0 and ones place 0. Now 2 crore, 2 lakhs, 2,002. Now third bit, place values. Third bit, place values. How to write place values? how to write place values. Now, example. Here the digit is underlined. Which digit? 3. 3 is underlined. Then we have to write 3 in which place? First we have to write the number and each digit place value we have to write. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Then ones period, thousands period, lakh period we have to put the commas. Now 3 is in which place? 7. Sorry, 3 is in which place? Lakhs place. Now how to write? 3 is in lakhs place. Its value is 3 lakhs. Now first we have to write a place value, then we have to write a value of that digit. Now second example. Underlined 8. Then first we have to write number again. Little gap between digits and write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones period over. 1,000, 10,000. Thousands period over. Lakh, 10 lakh. Then 8 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. Now answer. How to write? 8 is in 10 lakhs place. Its value is 80 lakhs. Means what is the place value of 8? 8 is in 10 lakhs place and its value is 80 lakhs. Now second question is 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then first we have to write each digit place value. Then 7 comes under ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 4 thousands, 3 10,000s, 2 lakhs, 8 10 lakhs. Then how to write the answer? Now 8 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. Its value is 80 lakhs. Means 8 into 10 lakhs, 80 lakhs. Now this is, in this exercise we learnt now write in words, write in figures. Second bit what? Write in figures. Third bit place values.